Hey guys, it's cold, it's wet, it's kind of miserable outside, so it's a great day to make gnocchis. And I'm gonna make you some gnocchis that you probably have not seen before. We've all seen the potato gnocchi with the flour and the ricer and all that kind of stuff. A little more work than I like to do. I do mine with equal parts ricotta and flour, and that's it. And higher in protein, which we're all looking for these days. Really light, really fluffy. So let's get into it. Ricotta. Flour the countertop really well. Whoops, not that. Flour the sheet pan really well. Here we go. Ricotta down. Equal parts, flour to ricotta. So just use the same container, measure out your flour. Close enough. All on the countertop. Work it in. You don't have to work it very much. Just work it into it nice until it's all formed and packed together. Really quick. You can do this ahead of time, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make this, put them in the pan, put them in the freezer, or put it in the freezer, and just pull them out as I need them. Okay, I've been working this for maybe 4 to 6 minutes. Got a nice feel to it. Keep the surface really well floured. Okay, making little balls. And we're just gonna start rolling them out to make it into nice little, about a ½ an inch wide. Just work from the inside out, rolling it back and forth, inside out. We're almost there. If you have to, cut it off, start again. Play with your food a little bit, as they say. Oh yeah, Rochester, that's where I was born. Where my parents lived for a long time, where I lived until I was 3rd grade. It's where this recipe comes from. Well, for me it does. Linen gnocchi roller. You can use this. You can do it with just 2 fingers, which is kind of how I learned how to do it. You press down and roll it over. It doesn't roll over as easily as you'd like. I guess you could use a fork. See how that works. Yeah, get nice little ridges so sauce will get on it, get in there. But the easiest way, and you cut them into bite sizes. Easiest way is just lean against your pan, roll it against the gnocchi maker, the gnocchi pad, whatever you call this thing. So you want those ridges in there. That's what's going to capture the sauce. Put it in your floured sheet pan. Yeah, that's what you want. I hope you'll subscribe. Make It Italian 1, my YouTube channel, where I just cook all different kinds of things that I usually eat, things I always eat. Okay, after every time I roll one of these out, I've been putting them into the sheet pan. I sprinkle it with flour just so they don't stick, give it a little jiggle. I put it in the freezer, I do another one, bring it out, do it all over again. You want to start to get these frozen so they don't get mushy, because when you cook them, you like to have them be frozen. You can do them fresh, it's just a little bit easier this way. Okay, I've got them all done. They're all in the pan. There's plenty here for probably 4 people. There's lots of flour on them. Important, put them in the freezer, let them sit like this. When they get pretty much all the way frozen, put them in a Ziploc bag, pull them out as you need them.